A home is a starting place of love,
Hello,
hope, and
everyone.
dreams.
Kumusta ang buhay?
The magic things
I'm
about home
so
is
unique
that
and
it
video like
feels
this.
good to live,
But
and it feels even
kumusta
better to come
ang
back.
buhay sa mga patuloy
Home
na nakikinig?
is where love resides.
Napakakakitaan dyan.
Memories are created.
Just
Friends
don't.
always belong, and laughter never ends. A house is made of bricks and beams.
Kumusta ang buhay?
A good thing, a little more persistence,
I don't know about
a little
tomorrow.
more effort,
We
and what
must
seemed
prepare
homeless
for
failure may
ourselves,
turn to glorious
hoping on the
success.
future.
We believe in
God
ourselves.
will bless us
Everything there is
abundantly,
possible.
financially overflow.
Most important things in the world
There is a
have
will,
been
there is a way.
blessed by people who have keep on trying when there seemed to be no more at all. Do not lose your hope. Do action and believe in yourself. Did you know that
Maganda ang buhay.
successful
Maganda
working
ang
from home
feelings.
is a skill,
Marami
just
tayong
like programming,
pera
designing, or writing.
at
It takes
kailangan din
time
natin
and commitment to
magkaroon
develop that skill.
sapat na
The
hanap
harder you
buhay,
work for
lalo na
something,
sa oras
the
panahon
greater you'll feel when
ngayon.
you achieve
Very,
it.
very complicated.
Did you know that your work office can be anywhere? And I mean anywhere. You save money, you can learn more and become more independent.